Hey y'all, it's Martha here, and I am popping in today to share with you another Beebeecraft unboxing. Now before I get started, let me tell you, I got some stuff this time that I didn't think I was ever going to get from Beebeecraft because I'm not one into doing like dangles and like all that stuff. But I did buy some beads and stuff this time because I made my first tassel, I don't know, a week, 2 weeks ago for an upcoming collaboration. And I loved it. I loved how it turned out. And since then I've made about, I think 2 more, maybe 3. So the first thing, let me share, I think I saw this one on Jennifer's channel, Scrapbooks and Memories, and I just thought they were so beautiful. Look at all that sparkle, y'all. And I thought that would be fun for some dangles, or well, tassels, or I'm still trying to figure out how to do the little dangles where you use the little wire cutters and that looper tool and stuff. I have not been successful yet, but I'll keep trying. So you're going to find a link to all these products in the description. You'll find a 10% off discount code Martha10, and you will find the link if you would like to be a part of the YouTube plan. I can't think of the other word. If you would like to do some Beebeecraft unboxings and projects and be sponsored by getting yourself some free products, the link will be there as well. Okay, that was my first one. Let me show you this. I also got all of these lobster claw key rings in a whole bunch of colors, and I just thought they would be fun for some of my tassels. And I think there's supposed to be 100 in here. So got reds and 2 different colors of blues, some purples, some greens, yellows, orange. I think there's even some black and white in here. So just about every color you could want. So that was my second item that I chose. And let me show you this one. Oh, I didn't open this. There's a little plastic film over this. So let me get that off of there. I like how this one comes in its own little case. And you get lots of pinks and blacks, and I think I'm just going to dump it out of this bag since it has its own little box. Oh, and I didn't even realize that you get all this little, I guess those are like wires, and there's some tiny little lobster claws. And I don't know, are those little beads, the little silver ones? Let me open it just to, I guess it is. It's just such tiny holes, I can't see the holes. I just want to dump this in here too. Oh, those are pretty. Yeah, those are little beads too. Very cute. But I love that you get, I guess these are called bubblegum. I think these are the ones that are bubblegum beads. I love the sparkle and the holographic effect here. Get this pretty kind of a Barbie pink. Cute little stripy ones. That one has a little something on it. Hopefully it will wipe off. Looks like a scratch. And then we got your polka dots. These are like dimpled. Then we have the black stripies and the black and white polka dots. This one's kind of a, I think it's supposed to be clear, but it's got that holographic effect. Got some shiny, like pearl pink. So some, oh, and this one's kind of faceted. That one looks like a, kind of like one of those, what do you call them? Strobe lights or globe lights or whatever, like in a disco. Oh boy, I'm aging myself, huh? But some very pretty beads and some stuff I could even make dangles with if I ever learned how. So, some very pretty beads. And some lobster claws. Alright, now I think we have a few more things to share. I wound up going over my limit just a little bit, but they went ahead and gave it to me. I think what happened, it was on sale when I picked it out, and by the time I ordered it, it was off sale. I think this is what happened, but they gave it to me anyway, which was very nice. It wasn't that much over. Okay, and then I bought this. In one of the videos I watched, they used this, it's kind of like fishing line, but I think the website called it fishing line / jewelry cord or something like that. You'll find the link in the description. So I wanted to try that too and see how it works. And then let's go ahead and open this one. This is some more of those, I guess are the bubblegum ones. I'm not exactly sure. Maybe all the chunky ones are. But anyway, they're kind of faceted. And these come in a bunch of different colors. See, that's the holographic effect. There's pink and green. There's yellows, gold. Just look at that. Isn't that beautiful? All these different colors. Love it. So pretty to play with. And hopefully these will look good on some tassels. All of these beads. And I don't know, I might learn to do something else while I'm at it. And last but not least, some very cute little beads. Whole lot smaller, but they were cute, and I thought they might look good too. They're little star beads, and they're shiny, got like a holographic effect to them. Got a bunch of mixed colors, pink, purple, red, white. And I think that's all the colors, but you can see right here, those are very beautiful and will look really good in some projects. So I figured if I was going to start making tassels more, that I needed to build up my stash of beads. I do have a stash of beads, but I don't know. Some of them are, I don't know if they're going to work for what I want to do. Oh, there's one of those little tiny ones. Alright, I think that is my little haul from Beebeecraft. And keep a lookout for a couple of videos where I share with you what I make with them. And I think that's it, y'all. So I will be seeing y'all again soon. Bye now. Oh, don't forget to look in the description. And hello and thank you to all of my new subscribers and my existing ones. I appreciate all of you. Bye now.